Hello and welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LS. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as heated bucket seats, lane keep assist, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. Going to this two-tone black and gray interior with paneling coupled to storage at the bottom, right next to the speakers. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors and windows with chrome accent handle. To the seats, you're going to have these two-tone cloth heated bucket seats, super comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents and as well as your lighting control, and left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and lane keep assist. On the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, and as well as your gauges here, as well as your eco index. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Pretty straightforward. You got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. You can choose to sign up for OnStar if you like, and adjust your radio. You're gonna have climate controls as well, and pretty straightforward. The heated seats, as well as 2 USB ports and a 12 volt. You're gonna have your all-wheel drive and the shifter here, oops, with your parking brake, and as well as your center console storage. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. That two-tone black and gray all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, and then here just access your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. Into the 17-inch wheels on Bridgestone Blizzak tires with the black mirror caps and the paint match Keep the Century door handle. Deep tint rear glass in the back. You got the 60/40 rear folding split seat, storage and hooks on the side, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Onto the rear interior, again more cup holder storage next to the speaker. Power window with a chrome accent. Up in the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger driver's side with rear ventilation and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, and lamps and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LS, equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as heated bucket seats, cruise control, forward collision alert, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.